Ahuja Grover. I'm an architect and artist from New Delhi, and I have been painting since a child. I've been painting since the age of 4. I've taken formal painting training from Triveni Kala Sangam and later went ahead and did my graduation in architecture. Even during my course in architecture, fine arts was a subject, so I didn't ever leave painting behind. During my 5-year course of architecture, I learned a lot of new techniques for painting, and I kept on honing my skills. After graduation, I continued my painting, and I've been practicing professionally and painting. I've been trying to learn different techniques, learning from different artists, seeing different artist processes and work over the last few years. Whenever I travel, I go to a museum and see an artist exhibition, because most of the times you'll find the artist also around, and it's very nice to meet the artist and understand the thought process and how the painting has come about. And there are lots of little things which you get to know when you speak to an artist. So I've always been fascinated by this side, and every artist has their own process, their own journey, their own method of painting. They use different mediums, different type of paints, or they have different ways of going about the same thing. So there's no one correct way to go about it, and I think that's the most beautiful part of being an artist. I am very happy to be a part of this journey and continuing, because every time I learn something new, and I hope that I keep going ahead with that. So over the last few years, I have been exploring a lot with techniques and different methods to paint. I think painting, the color really comes out when there is a lot of texture to it. It gives it a lot of depth. And this is one such painting of mine where I have tried to use different materials and different ways of painting. So I have mixed a couple of techniques. I've used knife painting, I've used sponge painting, I've used cotton, I've used a knife, I've used a comb, I've used a fork. So it's a mixture. There's tissue, there's cotton. So there are a mixture of different types of materials that I've used to bring about these textures into the painting. And this is an amalgamation of those different textures, and you can see how each if you focus on each part of this painting, you can see a different texture to it, and that's the beauty of this painting. This painting is basically about a woman and how she goes through these different phases in her life, and it is about her journey as a woman. It is about her journey as an evolving human, and how these different phases of her life bring about a different learning, a different color to her life, and then she grows out of it, and she grows from it. So it's about different experiences, and hence I wanted to use different textures for it to show, because each emotion has a different texture to it, has a different feeling to it. So different colors attached to it. So this is the basis of this painting, and I truly believe that textures can really change the way the painting feels. It really gives it that 3D, that depth. It gives it that depth in the painting. So yeah, that's about this one. So apart from the different type of paintings I've already done, I have finally come down to, as something that I love the most is abstracts and figuratives. even landscapes for that matter. I feel like I can express the emotion and the painting very well in this. So I use impasto technique a lot in my paintings, a lot of knife painting, a lot of textures, and I feel like I keep switching back from acrylic and oil. Both the mediums are very, very fascinating. There's a lot you can do. Oil, there's a lot more depth you can get to your painting, but in acrylic you can try different techniques. So I keep switching back from both these mediums to each other, and sometimes I even mix both of them. I do half a painting in oil and half a painting in acrylic. So I feel like it's a constant battle between both, and impasto technique is one of my favorite ones. Growing up, since I was painting and I was fascinated by different paintings, artists, one of the female artists I was very, very inspired by and always loved her work was Mrs. Anjali Ila Menon. I really, really love her paintings, and the color she uses, or the way her paintings have these figurative, these faces, or these different elements, be it a window, or like I've been very inspired by her. And the other person would be Amrita Shergill, another amazing female artist. Both of them have this very unique way of approaching and expressing their paintings and their thought, and each painting looks completely different than the other, yet there is something very similar. Like when you look at the painting, you know that this is of this artist. So they have made that mark for themselves, and I think growing up, these two female artists I was very, very inspired by. I read a lot about their paintings, about their journey, about even their what were the things that inspired them to make these paintings. So yeah, it's got to be them. So I would like to thank Ekatva Arts for giving me this opportunity for displaying some of my artworks at IHC, at the Visual Art Gallery for Utsav 2. I'm looking forward to exhibiting and looking at all the other artists' works as well. So wishing all the other artists a very good luck, and I'm looking forward to seeing that. Special thanks to Saloni for organizing and curating this event.